Hello everyone, and for today I have a really amazing Windows 10 custom theme, and that theme is Diablo Reaper of Souls for Windows 10 Creators Update and Creators File Update. Okay, before you apply or use any custom theme for Windows 10, first you need to patch your Windows 10. And how to patch Windows 10? You can watch my updated tutorial how to patch Windows 10 from RS1 to RS4 and 5. Okay, and then you can use any custom theme you want. Okay, I will extract the files from the WinRAR. You can find the download link for this theme in description below. Also, you can find the tutorial for this amazing custom icon pack that I have on my Windows 10, and also you can find a tutorial how to enable aero glass and full glass effect on Windows 10. Okay, all those tutorials you can find in description below of this video together with download link of this custom theme. Okay, I will turn off the glass effect until I apply the custom theme. Okay, we have extras. We have the Diablo Reaper of Soul System Matrix, which I will apply on my Windows 10. I will go back. Then we have Rocket Dog skin, and we have Diablo icons, some of them. Then we have screensaver and splash screen for Adobe After Effects, Adobe Audition, Illustrator, and Adobe Photoshop. Then we have a theme. I will copy this to this PC, local disk C, Windows, resources, themes, and I will paste it here. Okay. It's been a while since I have applied this Diablo theme for Windows 7, and right now I have it on Windows 10. And here is the theme, Diablo Reaper of Soul. Okay, the theme is really in detail, and right here, like you see, I have default Windows 7 task bar and start menu. Actually, I have StartIsBack++ on Windows 10. I will go to the properties appearance and I will just select the start menu, custom start menu. I will click apply, and that's it. And here I will apply the black glass. Okay, here is the full glass effect on Windows 10, and here in OldNewExplorer, I have done tutorial how to disable this ribbon in Windows 10. Also, you can find that tutorial in description below of this video. Okay, like you see, my ribbon on Windows 10 is just disappeared, and I have the classic style from the Windows 7, which is the best for me in my case. Like I said, for OldNewExplorer and how to disable the ribbon in Windows 10, I have also made a quick tutorial. So, like I said already, all those tutorials you can find for each link in description below of this video. Here is the amazing theme, and look at those wallpapers that you have with the theme, and also the start menu, taskbar, everything is done in really quality detail, and look at that logo of Diablo. It's just amazing. All images are just great, and I really love this theme. Okay, because this is my favorite icon pack for Windows 10, and I'm keeping it all the time on my Windows 10. But maybe this icon pack does not go with this theme, but never mind. It still looks really slick. This one is really amazing, and look at that glass effect that I have, and also arrow glass. It's just same as from Windows 7. And this is just amazing how it looks like on my Windows 10. Okay, that was a custom theme for Windows 10, Diablo Reaper of Souls. All credits and all download links are in the description below of this video. And thank you for watching this, and see you next time. Bye.